Yes. Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to Dear Maths classes. My dear students, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು KCET ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ 2015 ಟು 2025 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಸಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈಗ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಇಫ್ 1 plus sin theta plus sin square theta plus sin cube theta plus sin to the power of 4 theta and so on up to infinity is equals to 2 root 3 plus 4, then the value of theta is. Okay, this question is from KCET 2016. Clear? So here in this series 1 plus sin theta plus sin square theta sin cube theta and so on up to infinity. So what is the first term here? A is equals to 1. First term is equals to 1. So common ratio R is equals to sin theta, because sin theta, sin square theta, sin cube theta, sin to the power of 4 theta. So here in this all, sin theta is a common ratio. So we know sum of infinity of this series, sum of all terms up to infinity. What is the formula? A by 1 minus R. A by 1 minus R means A value is 1, 1 minus R value is sin theta. Correct? So this is equals to, in the question given, sum of this all terms up to infinity is equals to 2 root 3 plus 4. Okay. So this also written as 4 plus 2 root 3 also. Correct? Means sum means we can write 4 plus 2 root 3. Okay, sum of the terms 4 plus 2 root 3. So this 1 by 1 minus sin theta is equals to 4 plus 2 root 3 also written as applying reciprocal. So 1 minus sin theta is equals to this 4 plus 2 root 3 also it becomes 1 by 4 plus 2 root 3. Reciprocal. Here 1 by 1 minus sin theta it becomes 1 minus sin theta. Here 4 plus 2 root 3 it becomes 1 by 4 plus 2 root 3. So for this, apply rationalize with 4 minus 2 root 3 by 4 minus 2 root 3. Okay. So 4 minus 2 root 3, 4 minus 2 root 3 means, so this 4 minus 2 root 3 as it is. Okay. 4 minus 2 root 3 as it is by, it is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. Okay. A plus B into A minus B. So A plus B into A minus B means A square minus B square. So 16 minus 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12. Okay. So 4 minus 2 root 3 by 16 minus 12 is 4. So we get 4 by 4 minus 2 root 3 by 4. So 4 4 cancel, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. So 1 minus sin theta is equals to 1 minus root 3 by 2. Okay. So here, what is sin theta? Sin theta is equals to root 3 by 2. So sin theta is equals to root 3 by 2. So sin theta is equals to root 3 by 2. Also write in sin function, that is sin 60 degrees. Sin 60 degrees means in radians pi by 3. So what is theta value here? Theta is equals to pi by 3. What is the theta value? Theta is equals to pi by 3. So pi by 3 is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Clear? Yes. Next question. This question is from KCET 2018. What is the question here? If sin inverse of x plus sin inverse of y is equals to 2 pi by 5, then the value of sin inverse of x plus sin inverse of, sorry, cos inverse of x plus sin inverse of y is. Okay, this is the question. So here the given question is sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of y is equals to 2 pi by 5. This is the given question. Okay, so here we know one identity, sin inverse of alpha plus cos inverse of alpha is equals to pi by 2. Okay, sin inverse of alpha plus cos inverse of alpha is equals to pi by 2. So in the place of alpha substitute x. So then we get cos inverse of x is equals to pi by 2 minus sin inverse of x. So this plus sin inverse of x is transformed inside, becomes pi by 2 minus sin inverse of x. Now in the place of alpha substitute y. So sin inverse of y is equals to pi by 2 minus cos inverse of y. Okay. So using these two identities, so simplify this question. So what is the given question here? Cos inverse of x plus sin inverse of y. Okay. Find the cos inverse of x plus sin inverse of y. So cos inverse of x is nothing but pi by 2 minus sin inverse of x plus sin inverse of y is nothing but pi by 2 minus cos inverse of y. Okay. So these both are in algebraically in addition. Okay. Pi by 2 plus pi by 2 it becomes pi. Here take minus and minus is there. Take minus as a common. Remaining is sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of y. Okay. So simplify this. Here pi minus, we know this value sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of y value is given in the question 2 pi by 5. Correct? 2 pi by 5. So 5 into pi is equals to 5 pi minus 2 pi by 5. Simple. Apply cross multiplication. Okay, cross multiplication. So 5 pi minus 2 pi. 5 pi minus 2 pi is 3 pi by 5. Okay, 3 pi by 5 is the answer. So option B is the correct answer. 3 pi by 5. So this question is from KCET 2018. Clear? Next question. Yeah, from 2021. The value of cos 1200 degrees plus tan 1485 degrees means 1485 degrees is. Okay, the value of cos 1200 degrees plus tan 1485 degrees. 1485 degrees is. Okay. First 1200 degrees also written as 3 into 360 degrees plus 120 degrees. Okay. 1200 degrees also written as 3 into 360 degrees plus 120 degrees. So this write in cos function cos of 3 2 pi plus 120 degrees. Okay. So cos 3 2 pi plus 120 degree also written as cos 120 degrees. Okay. Cos 120 degree value is minus 1. Clear? Minus 1 or minus 1 by 2 is the answer. Cos 120 degree is equals to minus 1 by 2. Now same as find 1485 degrees. Okay. 1485 degree also written as 4 into 360 degrees plus 45 degrees. Okay. So 4 into 360 degrees in tan function. Tan of 4 into 2 pi plus 45 degrees. We get tan 4 into 2 pi plus 45 degrees is equals to tan 45 degrees. Tan 45 value is 1. Okay. Sum of these two functions because cos 1200 plus cos, sorry, tan 1485 degrees is sum of these two values. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is equals to minus 1 by 2 is the answer. Clear? So minus 1 by 2 is the answer. Clear? Yes. Next question. This question is from KCET 2021. Clear. Next question. This question is from KCET 2020. The value of sine square 51 degrees plus sine square 39 degrees is. Okay. Very simple question. The value of sine square 51 degrees plus sine square 39 degrees is. Clear. So we know one identity. What is the identity? One small identity is there, that is sine square theta plus sine square 90 minus theta is equals to 1. Okay, using this identity sine square theta plus sine square 90 minus theta is equals to 1 means what is theta here? Sine square theta value is 51 degrees plus sine square 90 minus 51 degrees is equals to here we have to check first. We have to check these two first. So means 51 plus 39. 51 plus 39. Okay. 51 plus 39 we get 10 and here we get 9. Okay. 90 minus 51 is equals to 39. Okay. 90 minus 51 is equals to 39. So this sine square 51 degrees plus sine square 90 minus 51 degrees is equals to 1. Okay. What is the answer here? D. 1 is the answer. Very simple. Okay. So sine square 51 degrees plus sine square 39 degrees is equals to 1. This is the answer. Clear? Next question. Ah. So this question is from KCET 2021. Question is the value of tan 1 degrees, tan 2 degrees, tan 3 degrees up to tan 89 degrees is. Same question, same identity. So here we know tan theta into tan 90 minus theta is equals to 1. Same identity here. Okay. Tan theta into tan 90 minus theta is equals to 1. Okay. So what is theta here? Tan 1 degree into tan 90 minus 1 degree is equals to 1. So using this identity, so simplify this question. Tan 1 degree into tan 89 degree. Correct? All are in product. 89 means what? 90 minus 1. Next, tan 2 degrees into tan 88 degrees. Same. Tan 3 degrees into tan 87 degrees. Okay. And so on. Correct. So we get this value 1, this value is 1, this value is 1. All values are in product. So on so on. So 1 1 ja, 1 1 ja, 1 1 ja, 1 1 ja, we get the final answer is 1 is the answer. Clear? This question is from KCET 2021. Next question. See, this question is from KCET 2022. The question is the degree measure of pi by 32 is equals to, okay, pi by 32 is equals to degree measure of pi by 32. So pi by 32 means what? Pi means 180 by 32. Okay, 180 by 32. 180 by 32 means we get 5.625 degrees. Okay, 5.625 degrees. So this 625 degrees also converted into minutes and seconds. So for that 0.625 into 60, we get 37.51. Okay, 37.5 minutes. Okay, so we multiplied this 0.625 degrees multiplied with 60, we get in minutes. Okay, so degrees into minutes. Again, minutes into seconds. Okay, so this 37.5 minutes. This minutes is converted into seconds. For that, you multiply it with 60, we get 30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds. So what is the final answer here? Pi by 32 is equals to the degree of the 5 by 32 is 5 degrees. Okay, 5 degrees, 37 minutes, 30 seconds. Okay, 5 degrees, 37 minutes and 30 seconds. So this is the answer. Option B is the correct answer. This question is from KCET 2022. Clear? Next. So here KCET 2022, same question. KCET 2022. So here square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus 2 cos 8 theta is. Okay. So this is a question. This question is from KCET 2022. So here first we have to simplify this. Okay. So we know square root of 2 plus 2 cos x is equals to. Okay. What is the identity? 2 cos x by 2. Okay. So using only this part, square root of 2 plus 2 cos x is equals to 2 cos x by 2. So here square root of 2 plus 2 cos 8 theta is equals to 2 cos 8 theta by 2. It is equals to 2 cos 4 theta. Okay, now in the place, substitute this 2 cos 4 theta. So square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus this square root of 2 plus 2 cos theta we get 2 cos 4 theta. Again applying this identity, we get square root of 2 plus this value we get square root of 2 plus 2 cos 2 theta we get. Okay, again applying this identity, so we get square root of 2 plus 2 cos theta is square root of 2 plus 2 cos theta is 2 cos theta is the answer. Okay, so this 2 cos 2 theta by 2 is equals to we get 2 cos theta is the answer. Okay. What is the answer here? 2 cos theta is the final answer. Clear? So for this 8 theta, it becomes 4 theta. 4 theta, it becomes 2 theta. 2 theta, it becomes theta. Clear? So this question is from KCET 2022. Next question. Question from 2020, KCET 2020. If tan theta plus cot theta is equals to 2, then the value of tan 4a plus tan 4a is, okay, cot 4a is. So here in the question given, tan a plus cot a is equals to 2 means find tan to the power of 4a plus cot to the power of 4a is equals to question mark. Okay, so here we using one identity. So that is tan a plus cot a is greater than or equals to 2 means if tan a plus, here it is a identity tan a plus cot a is greater than or equals to 2 means equality holds. Okay, equality holds when tan a is equals to cot a is equals to 1. Okay, equality holds when tan A is equals to cot A is equals to 1. When tan A plus cot A is greater than or equals to 0, then tan A is equals to cot A is equals to 1. So tan A is equals to cot A is equals to 1 means this tan A plus cot A is equals to 2. So this condition is satisfied. Then tan A is equals to 1, cot A is equals to 1. So here tan to the power of 4A plus cot to the power of 4A is equals to, this is a question mark. So 1 to the power of 4 plus 1 to the power of 4 is equals to 1 plus 1 is equals to 2 is the correct answer. What is the answer? 2 is the correct answer. Thank you. Yeah. Yes. So, my dear students, in this trigonometry session, we completed nearly some 24 to 25 questions. Clear? So all from 2015 to 2025, all main questions are completed. We practice. Okay. So if you like these classes, if you like these videos, please like, share and subscribe for more updates. Clear? Thank you for watching.